A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start the second chapter of GK in class 5th, that is about plastics. Kids, today we will learn about the facts about plastics. A plastic is a material that can change its shape. Many things are made of plastics usually because making them to the right shape is easy. There are many types of plastic. Some can be shaped only when they are freshly made. Then after that they become hard. Others are thermoplastic and can be softened by heating them. These plastic can be used for 3D printings because the plastic will become soft enough to form into different shapes and then become hard again when they cool down. Most plastics are man-made. They do not occur in nature. The process of making plastic is usually quite complicated. It takes about 450 years just for one plastic bottle to break down into the ground. 11% of household waste is plastic, 40% of which is plastic bottles. A plastic cup can take 50 to 80 years to decompose. An estimated 13 billion plastic bottles are decomposed of each year. Plastic bags and other plastic garbage thrown into the ocean kills as many as 1 million sea creatures every year. Recycling plastic saves twice as much energy that burning it in an incinerator. There are 3 ways from which plastics can be molded. The very first one is blow molding process. It is a specific manufacturing process by which hollow plastic parts are formed and can be joined together. It is also used for forming glass bottles or other hollow shapes. The parison is a tube-like piece of plastic with a hole in one end and through which compressed air can be passed. Second one is vacuum molding. Vacuum molding is the process by which a thermoplastic sheet material is heated until it's malleable and then sucked onto a foaming core or tool under the pressure of a vacuum. The foaming cores or tools can be made from a variety of materials from woods, plastics, epoxy resins, foams and up to aluminium. And third one is extrusion. Extrusion is used to push a molten tube of plastics called a parison through a die and into a bottle-shaped mold. Compressed air is blown into the parison, forcing it against the cold walls of the mold. The molded piece is then cut and removed from the mold. Extrusion is a manufacturing process used to make pipes, hoses, drinking straws, curtain, tracks, rods and fibers. Now your class is over. Complete all the exercises as the answer sheet is available on your school app. Complete the answers in your book. Now we will meet up in your next class. Thank you.